Morning. So with concerns about the global recovery and also high infection rates in the US, investors sold risk assets yesterday and cycled into bonds and cash. So the 10-year yield retraced to 1.6%, still high though in the current environment, and the dollar gained against its peers. Most equity indexes indeed dropped about 1 to 2%, and then the Russell 2000 actually dropped over 3.5%. Looking at Bitcoin, it held relatively well. In a risk-off session, it was very unlikely that Bitcoin would rise, but it is closing the session flat or slightly in the green, so 0.75% up after large intraday swings. Alts are clearly underperforming across the board, so losing in USD terms and in Bitcoin terms, but not in that dramatic a fashion, right? So the Bitcoin dominance is very close to where it's been in the past few sessions. Ironically, I think that those environments can be the hardest for traders. With no major move, it's hard to be opinionated, and some people end up getting restless, as we inch down or fail to make new, bold attempts to all-time highs. But while there are definitely indicators suggesting some downside potential, from a fundamental basis, the economic climate and the interest from large players continues to support a long-term bullish bias. Just yesterday, we observed another 12,000 of Bitcoins leaving Coinbase Pro. Those types of transactions pop up intermittently, and it's easy to discount them, but it is very probably linked to an institutional player making large purchases and then taking them off exchange to keep them, to hold them. Also very interesting to see the USDT market cap reaching a record $40 billion. So whatever we think of Tether, the amount of dry powder this represents for further crypto investments is super supportive for the space. Do you want even more reassuring data? There's a new chart in the written version of this brief from Glassnode showing the reserve risk, so essentially a measure of long-term hodlers on and off exchange. And you'll see that as prices go up, it rises, reaching extended levels. But in this cycle, we seem to be just midway through, and so with a good way to go up still. Lastly, as an information nugget, did you see that the Time magazine is looking to hire a CFO who understands Bitcoin? I wonder what that means for the future of media or, of companies in general. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please please subscribe. It helps with the visibility, but also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.